Hey everybody, Stamp Creates here. Here to do a fun unboxing. Mailman just came. Mail person just came. We should never say mailman. Could be a mail woman. Who knows? And brought me a box. So if you're new to my channel, welcome here. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. If you are new, be sure to hit the red subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Be nice. If you're going to leave a thumbs down, at least, come out and say why, what it was you didn't like. Maybe I'm not your cup of tea. Perfectly fine. I'm not for everybody, but I am who I am. Anyhow, let's get on with the unboxing. So this is a monthly subscription box. It's put out by the Columbia Fragrance Company. They're based out of Maryland, and it comes every month. And I don't really see anyone doing too many unboxings of this, so I kind of feel like, I have a good in on sharing this with you. So if you like to receive surprises every month, something delivered to your door, something fun, if you like fragrance, if you like to feel like as though it is Christmas every single month, then a subscription box might be something you may want to check out. And especially the Columbia Fragrance Company. So without any further ado, I noticed I grabbed my wrong scissors. These are the ribbon scissors. I'm going to grab my regular scissors. I'm going to have a little sip of coffee here. And let's get going. Been so dry lately. I live here in northeastern Pennsylvania, and I gotta say, well, this is supposed to be fragile box. I don't know. U.S. Postal Service, if you're watching, this is a fragile box, and it's a little crushed. They do a priority to mail shipping on this. So, yeah. So here we go. So this subscription box that I belong to is called Scent by Mickey. Hence the red and white polka dots. Well, the white polka dots. Ooh, I'm already smelling something wonderful within this box. White polka dots, red background. So these are different scents. It's based on Disney. So let's see what we have in our envelope here today. All right. So Doreen Nowatzki, and I apologize if I, do a number on your job. She is the Chief Fragrance Officer. So I always get her card in my box, and I appreciate the work you guys put into this, Doreen. So let's see what we have this month. We have Peace Out. Peace Out with some Hippie Mickey, orange and patchouli vibes this month. Candle and soaps, roll-on perfume. More products available at www.columbiafragrance.com. Magnet, I don't know what my dog is up to. Aurora. Sorry. Magnet courtesy of the Fanciful Mouse on Etsy. And the Fanciful Mouse is always giving us lots of little goodies in here. So, yeah, cool. Peace. Peace out, man. Peace, right? Thank you for your purchase. Did you know scent cells are renewed every 30 to 60 days? The cranial nerve is the only nerve to rejuvenate itself. Oh, regenerate itself. I'm so sorry. Long day. Don't ask. Columbia Fragrance Company. Okay, so let's see what we got. I always save this wrapping, and I save all the little fill that comes in here because I could repurpose it. And ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, yes. Ooh, something smells amazing in here. Ooh, I don't know where to go first. All right, let's go with this. So this is from the Fanciful Mouse, and it's a little magnet. Let's take it out. I love magnets. You guys love magnets? Let me know. Sorry about the crinkle. Leave in the comments below. Let me know if you like magnets too. So here it is, the Fanciful Mouse. You can find them on Etsy. They always make some fun things. I'm going to save this. I could use the back for a template. So look how cute this is. It's just basically a little frame. They painted it and slapped on a piece of, almost looks like watercolor paper with a Mickey and little peace sign. It's cute. Be cute on my fridge. Okay. Ooh. What should we start with? Ooh. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, we have some nice soaps. Look how fun these are. Okay, well, let's just dig right in, right? Shall we? Okay. And my cat Dory is coming here. She hears, excuse me, she hears crinkling. So if you have a cat, you know what I'm talking about. They like crinkle. Okay, let me take a sniffy. Oops. Okay, well, let's see what it says on the back. Soap, 5 ounce each. Okay, so it's glycerin soap. And ingredients are, I'm going to look under here. Glycerin. Well, I'm not going to read all that. Goat's milk soap. I like goat's milk soap. Smells good. So these are like really fun little decorative soaps if you like to put them in your bathroom. Look, we got 4 Mickey heads. And then we got a big piece soap. And my grandkids will love these when they come. They're coming over to stay the beginning of October, so I think they'll like these. I'm not really sure what the scent is. Almost smells like the rose one from the first unboxing I did. And make sure to go back and check back, you know, a couple of the unboxings I did. So that's really soapy feeling. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We have Scent by Mickey, Hippie Mickey, and oh boy, whatever that says underneath that, just forget about it. So, it looks like we have 2 of them. I'm not really sure why I got 2 of them. Maybe because they like me. I'm sure you would too. Okay, so let's take a sniffy. Ooh. Oh, wait. Almost like citrusy. Is that what they said? Let's go back to our card. Orange and I don't know what. Patchouli. If you know what that is, let me know. But yes, definitely orangey. I would assume this is the same one. So this would be good. I could keep one at home and one in my purse. They do feel like they're glass, so you got to be careful with that. Ooh, excuse me. And, okay, so yeah, the rest is just peanuts and lots of fill. I could have went with a smaller box. And less fill. So this is, oh, okay, there it is. Orange and patchouli. Patchouli. Oh, I can feel it moving in there. So yeah. Yeah, that's different. I don't know if I really get the scent from the candle. Maybe when you burn it, I really don't smell anything. But I have to say, the one that I got last month, the one that had that Hawaiian theme with like the coconut and that, I was a little disappointed in the pumper from the soap. So if you guys are watching from Columbia Fragrance Company, it was difficult getting this soap to come out of the punch. But an FYI, when it started to get a little bit low and it wasn't, well, it was pumping worse than it had been, I added some water to it. And I have to tell you, adding water to it, it made it a lot more easy to come out, a lot more foamy. The other way, it was just kind of like spitting out and making a mess. So if you guys are going to do that again, you might want to water it down. I did not notice any difference from watering it down as opposed to it coming right out of the foam pump bottle beforehand. So an FYI for you guys. So yeah, I think this is fun. So we got the candle, we got a whole bunch of fun Mickey soaps, we got the little magnet for the fridge or wherever you want to put it, and then 2 little roller balls of fragrance. So yeah, it's fun. Something fun to get in the mail, you know, other than bills and more bills. So definitely check them out. You'll want to go on the back here. It just gives you a little information about the company, and check them out at where was that again? I'll just bring this up for you, columbiafragrance.com, and check out what scents they have. Maybe you can just try a little wax melt or a candle, see what you think. Try a couple different ones, and then if it's something that you really enjoy and you really like scents and you want something different every month, this is a great way to go. So thanks again so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Be sure to let me know, what do you think of this box? Would this be something you'd be interested in getting? Let me know. All right. Thanks so much for joining me. Truly appreciate it. And I will see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.